Incredibly pleased to be here with Tom Hewson, who is Head of Production and provides after-sales support for Neander. Tom has 24 years experience in the diesel, outboard and automotive industry, specialising in the management of technical support, prototype manufacturing, assembly and engine building. A real pleasure, Tom. Thank you.
Hey, Joey. Yeah, thanks for the intro. Looking forward to talking through the maintenance schedule with you.
Great. Let's get started.
Okay. So what you see in front of us here is a list of all the maintenance tasks required on the Dtorque 50.
Okay.
You'll see that only some of them are highlighted though. And this is to cover the first maintenance, which is after 50 hours. This is just to check that after initial installation, that the vessel and the outboard are performing as they should be. So it's quite a basic service. We just replace some fuel filters, the engine oil and filter, change the transmission oil, and check some tightening torques on the turbo system. This just ensures that the outboard is operating correctly and gives us an opportunity to ensure that the vessel is safe to operate for the end user.
Okay, fantastic. Thanks so much. That really explained it quite well. The next maintenance interval is every 250 hours or 12 months. Can you clarify what that means, Tom?
Yes, correct. So if you're an operator that's not doing many hours, so less than 250 hours a year, then you still need to carry out this maintenance on a 12-month basis. However, if you're operating more than 250 hours, then you need to carry out this maintenance whenever you reach that 250-hour point.
Okay. Thank you very much. That was really clear. And I can see here there's more maintenance tasks highlighted. What's the main differences between the 50-hour and the 250-hour service?
Yes, correct. So what we do is we copy across the 50-hour service onto this one. However, we've got a few additions. The major ones are the water pump impeller, so removal of the lower unit, and also replacing the sacrificial anodes. Otherwise, we've just got a lot more checks and grease points on the outboard to carry out.
Fantastic, thank you. And at the bottom it mentions universal service kit and separate anodes for use in saltwater or freshwater. And I noticed this was also on the last slide. What does that mean, Tom?
Yeah, so to keep it a bit easier for everybody, we offer the maintenance kit with all the parts required to do it, less the anodes. And then we offer the anodes in two separate kits, whether you're operating in saltwater or freshwater. That way we can just bundle together the right package for the user for them to carry out their maintenance.
Fantastic, thanks. And an important distinction to make, that it's different depending on whether it's saltwater or freshwater that the engine is running in. Thanks very much.
Now you can see the major maintenance interval here. Now this occurs every 1,000 hours or every 4 years, whichever one comes first for the operator.
Okay.
So you'll notice that we've ticked all of the options here, with the exception of one which has changed. So previously we used to check the thermostats for cleanliness and operation. Now we're going to replace them so they're fit for service for the next 1,000 hours. On top of that, the major differences are we're going a bit deeper into the outboard cooling system, removing some covers, checking that we haven't got any restrictions, and ensuring that the coolant system is operating as it should be.
Fantastic, thank you for explaining that. And the boat needs to come out of the water for each one of these services, is that right?
Yes, that's correct. Each service we've got to lift the boat or pull the boat out of the water. Now this is one of the big advantages of the Dtorque 50 over, say, a gasoline equivalent. Our maintenance intervals are more spread out. So on a gasoline outboard, you're typically looking at around 100 hours that you need to lift the boat and carry out a maintenance. So it's much less downtime and a lot of savings for the end user going this route.
Absolutely. Very big difference in the frequency there. Thank you for that. And how does the user know how to complete each one of these maintenance tasks?
So with every outboard is supplied the owner's manual, and you'll find in there a maintenance section where you'll see the schedule broken out into the 3 different maintenances, and also a list of instructions on how to carry out all of these maintenance operations.
Great, and we're very excited to actually be working on some new interactive instructions to make that even easier for our customers. Fantastic. Thanks very much, Tom. That was really clear and gave us a really good overview of the maintenance tasks and the maintenance schedule. So thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you.